Hey, how's it going? So I figured since the crypto market was a little flat right now that we would change it up and talk about three strategies, three things that you need to be doing in crypto to make a lot of profits, to make a lot of money in crypto. And these are three very basic things that I'm going to share with you. And the odds are that you're not doing any of them, or you might be doing one or two of them. And so, again, stick to the end because I got a lot to share with you. Here's where it comes down to. I have a real simple goal with this channel, and I had an idea for this video actually when I was getting gas. That's why I'm in my truck. So I wanted to make this real quick for you before I kind of lost the what I wanted to say. But I have two real simple goals. I want you to make more profit in crypto. I want you to make a bunch of money in crypto, and I want to keep you more and better informed. That's the goal with the channel. So if you haven't already done so, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And if you're watching this over on X, please give me a follow. Okay, so there are three strategies, three things you need to be doing to make money in crypto. You need to have a long-term investing strategy that is very simple, very straightforward, that basically diversifies you and protects you. We'll dig into that, number one. Number two, you need to have a plan, and that's tied to number one, to make long-term profits. That's number two. And number three, you need to have a plan to make short-term profits so that you're making profits in the short term, maybe 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, short-term profits, while your long-term investments, you're waiting for those to come in. Okay, so let's dig into those. The first, as I mentioned, you need to have a good diversification strategy in crypto. And what I love about crypto is it's actually very simple. Is depending upon your strategy and kind of your appetite for risk, then you need to look at, okay, let's say you have, I'm just going to use easy math. Let's say you have $10,000 that you want to invest, and just so you can apply this within the amount. I would recommend, again, not investing advice, right? This is what I do. I would recommend that you stick that $10,000 into the blue chips, the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, the XRPs, the Cardanos of the world. If you want to throw some meme coins in there, maybe some Dogecoin, some Shiba Inu, some Pepe, maybe some Brett, things of that nature. And again, diversify. You allocate that money across that board evenly, or if you want to load most of it into Bitcoin and Ethereum, say 50% of it, and then diversify the other 50%. It's however you want to get there, because when the crypto market starts to take off, which it will, we are all waiting on that, right? Pretty much everything's going to run, and so, but that good diversification strategy protects you that on those days that maybe Dogecoin's down, right? But you're still getting gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, this long-term, this diversification strategy ties into strategy number two, which is a plan to make long-term profits. Okay, so now we're moving into strategy number two. Long-term profits are when you buy these assets, like Bitcoin, as an example. You spend this $10,000 and you allocate it accordingly. I would tell you that needs to be a long-term investment, meaning you're going to hold it for a year, 2 years, 3, 5, 10, whatever your goal is. And inside of that, you need to know how much Bitcoin you own, how much Dogecoin, how much XRP you own. You need to know how many tokens you own, what's your cost basis, and all that. And then beyond that, you need to take one step further and go, okay, I want to make 100% on my XRP investment. I want to make 50% on my Bitcoin. I want to make 50% on my Ethereum, whatever that number is, because then you can extrapolate from that. Okay, when XRP hits that price, I will have made a 100% return. Like if you buy it at 250. Just for discussion's sake, I know it's not 250 right now, but say you buy it for 250 and it goes to 500, you have doubled your money. You have hit your strike price, if you will. Okay, so that's long-term investing strategy, and that's how you can, again, lock in those profits that could be, quite frankly, life-changing, right? They could be life-changing for you, for your family, for those that you love in your life, however you're going to do that, right? The third thing you need to be doing, and the vast majority of you are not doing this, is that you need to have a plan to make short-term profits. And short-term profits in the crypto market, and it's another label for this is what's called swing trading. And swing trading simply is you're buying an asset. It could be buying more of what you already own, or whatever, right? Or maybe you're looking at different cryptos. Well, you could do this for stocks too. And you're saying, okay, I want to buy it here, and then you're buying it at a certain point, and then you're selling it maybe in a month when it's gone up 30% or whatever. Well, how do you do that? You need to know the right time to buy and you need to know the right time to sell. The easy way to do this is to use technology, is to use a trading indicator. I have one. I use it every single day. I've got thousands of people that are using it. They're crushing it with it because it tells you the perfect time to buy and the perfect time to sell and lock in those profits. Now, I'm going to give you an example of swing trading to the extreme. Do you remember when back in November 5th to December 5th, this was when the elections and all this, XRP went up 400%. XLM went up 500% in 30 days. How would you have liked to have known the perfect time to buy XRP or XLM in this scenario and then sell 30 days later at the top and then lock in those profits and put those profits in your pocket? To give you some perspective, $2,000 of XRP bought on November 5th and then sold on December 5th, was a 400% move up. Go back, don't believe me, go look at the chart. It was 400%. It was a move up. That $2,000 invested would have made you $8,000 in profits. Okay, that's short-term swing trading profits. So if you have a good investing strategy, diversification, you have a long-term investment strategy, which is number 2. Remember, you're holding those assets for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, because you're betting on those big returns down the road. Okay, and then you have a third strategy, which is you're doing short-term investing, swing trading, and when the market starts to pick back up, you're going to be right there poised at the perfect time to buy and sell and get those alerts. By the way, my software gives you alerts. Your alerts can come in on your phone. Buy XRP here, sell XRP here as an example. You can use it for any cryptos out there. And by the way, the software works and you can use it for stocks as well. There's a link in the description below here on YouTube. There's a link above me if you're here on X where you can check it out. But the software costs about $1 a day. That's what it does. And so $1 a day, does that sound really not a bad deal for a trading indicator that could have told you buy here, sell here on XRP and made 400% return? Yeah, $8,000 in profit. It's not a bad day, right? So $1 a day, I keep it as cheap as possible. Why? Because I believe in helping as many people as I possibly can. There are people out there that are selling trading indicators that do the exact same thing that mine does. They're charging $300 a month. And I charge a little bit over $30 with the discount code that you see down there. Use that discount code. The quarterly option is the cheapest, by the way. Finally, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee, money back guarantee. So if you don't like anything about it, you're good. You get your money back. Well, after you join, there's a thank you page where there's step-by-step videos that walk you through step-by-step everything you need to do to set it up, as well as those alerts. Everything is there for you. I have customer support via email. You can ask us anything. We'll help you, all that kind of stuff. So again, there's your 3 things to get rich in crypto. There is no secret sauce to getting rich in crypto. You just have to be smart. You have to have a good investing strategy. You have to have a long-term profit strategy, i.e. long-term investments, right? Buy and hold for a long term. And then you need to do the third thing that I guarantee you're probably not doing, and that is that short-term investing strategy to make those short-term profits along the way on your way to those big-time profits, or long-term, get it right, Austin, long-term profits. All right. So that's what I got for you. Thank you for giving me a few minutes. I wanted to get this video out for you, so that's why I recorded it from my truck, but there you go. I'll see you. Links in the description below or up above me over on X. Check it out. See you. Bye.